In this video, we'll dive into the features and capabilities of Blend Photo, Photo Mixer Blend, and Photo Blend Double Exposure. Let's get started. Blend Photo. Blend Photo is a popular photo editing application on Android that allows users to blend two images together to create unique and artistic compositions. With this app, users can easily overlap and blend two photos seamlessly to create a double exposure effect. The app offers a variety of blending modes and editing tools to customize the final result, according to the user's preferences. Blend Photo provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to create stunning blended images with just a few taps. Photo Mixer Blend. Photo Mixer Blend is another great Android app for blending photos together to produce creative and visually appealing images. This app offers a wide range of blending modes, overlays, and effects that users can apply to their photos to achieve different looks and styles. Photo Mixer Blend also provides tools for adjusting the opacity, size, and position of each layer, allowing users to have full control over the blending process. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Photo Mixer Blend is a top choice for those looking to create artistic photo blends on their Android devices. Photo Blend Double Exposure. Photo Blend Double Exposure is a specialized photo editing app on Android that focuses on creating stunning double exposure images. This app allows users to blend two photos together using a variety of blending modes and effects to achieve unique and eye-catching results. With Photo Blend Double Exposure, users can easily adjust the transparency, brightness, and contrast of each layer to create the perfect blend. The app also provides tools for fine-tuning the final image, such as filters, textures, and adjustment options. And that wraps up our overview of the top photo blending apps for Android. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.